All right, what's up everybody? Another day, another property home tour. If this is your first time tuning into this channel, my name is Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. So today I'm back out here in the north side of the Las Vegas Valley, just south of Aliante Casino, just right off of 215 in Aliante. So today I'm back at it again to film this property. Now, we are located in a community called Heartland Falls, okay? Now, this is a 3-car garage home. Now, they do make a 2-car garage. Now, this one that we're going to be touring today, the base price on here is $505,000. If you did the 2-car garage version, that's going to be starting off at $485,000. And the square footage on here is 2,988 square feet. Now, on this one, you do have a few options that you can pick and choose from. And also, you're gonna have to go on the waiting list on this one, believe it or not. All right, guys, typically I like to hang outside, but it's just too hot right now, so I'm just gonna go inside. Also, I wanna give a quick shout out to the sales agent, Danny Lush. You guys seen him before on our podcast. So, if you guys are purchasing a property out here, make sure to contact Danny Lush and let him know I sent you, so that way we can connect the pieces. Right here, as you see, we have the feature wall, 12 by 24 tile, and then we have our staircase taking us upstairs. So we're gonna go ahead and walk straight back here, but I've noticed one thing to the right. What do we have? We have our coat closet, smart panel box right there. So this one's a little bit unique. So as we come in, we do have like our dining room here, which is a little bit narrow, and it's kind of an awkward spot to be putting a dining room, like right here. It's almost like in the middle of the hallway, which is very strange to me. So I don't like this layout of this. This does not make any sense. I probably would not put a dining room table here, okay? But then what happens is we come over here, we have kind of like a little butler's station, right? And what is this? Or storage or pantry. Then now we come into the kitchen and then the living room. But let's start off here on this side here. Not bad. Make the adjustments on this gimbal for just a second here. And I think it's time to get a better gimbal because I'm just not liking this one. Six by 6 vinyl slide. Let's see what this backyard looks like. Backyard's pretty deep. Pretty large. Definitely a pool-sized lot, that's for sure. But you guys ain't getting me to go outside today. That's a hell no, because it's too hot. Nice large island here. This looks like a 5 by 7, 5 by 8 on here. Oh, that's cool that the sink is right here in front of the window. Imagine the kids playing outside on the pool, covered patio, barbecue. People are hanging out, just chilling. You got the undermounted sink, full overlay white cabinets. These are probably the Aristocrats. Yep, guaranteed. Dovetails, which is really nice. And the glides are underneath. 42 upper cabinets with a 3-inch crown, modern. Then we have our stove here, 5-burner microwave, vents out. Okay, not that bad. Refrigerator. Oh, we got some Hot Pockets here. I might take 1 or 2 of those before I leave. Very hot outside. Oh. When it comes to the refrigerator, you can actually balance this. Sometimes the refrigerating balance, you can actually adjust the wheels up and down as well. Then we have our IQ monitor system, which is really nice. Great system, by the way. As you can see, it can be integrated with ADT, a few companies. However, depending on what type of front camera doorbell you're going to do, you need to make sure it can also be integrated with this through one app. Also, the MyQ app is integrated here as well. Camera systems, you can actually go to have your cameras, be monitored by a third-party company, or you can do DVR as well. So there's a lot of options that you can pick and choose from. Here, what do we have here? We have our coat closet. Okay, not bad. Coming over here, we have a bedroom downstairs. So I think this is where, you're giving up all this space here to get this. Now this is a pretty large bedroom, I'm gonna say. You got your Cat 6 or your power over Ethernet right there. Oh, look at this. So that 3-car garage, you do have your access for the exterior of the house. So this is going to be a full bath, or 3/4 looks like. I feel like this is dead space here. Now the only thing that sucks about this is that if you have a family member that lives downstairs, you're going to always have to keep this clean just for guests. Here's your 3-car garage, but that's locked up. Alright, so we got some stairs. Alright, let's walk this baby out. Yeah, we made it upstairs. Ooh! I love the upstairs. Utilized very well. We got the loft. I know it's a little bit dark here. Let me get the light on my backside. Here we go. Take a moment here. Looks like we're at the primary here. AC unit. As big as this home, you need to make sure there's 2 condensers on this one. They got a wider door here, which is nice. You got a little retreat area. Let's take a look at this walk-in closet. We got 8-foot ceilings on the 2nd floor. Not bad for a closet size. I can tell you right now, the grout lines are not sealed. Another thing I don't like about this, you see how dark it is here? There's literally no lights here. Also, when it comes to lights, right? The way it illuminates, and depending on the can, as you can see, as an example, you take a look at this back wall here, okay? You see this wall? If you see the light, it only reflects right here, right? That's probably about, the reflection is probably about 3 feet. But as you go lower, as you can see, it comes down like this. So lighting is very important. So you're only covering a certain area. Also, depending on how many watts and also the color of your lights. These are not daylights. These are soft whites, right? Which kind of gives you that soft white look. You see what I'm saying? So then we have our countertops here. Got the granite. You got the cast iron. Pretty much all stock and standard with this builder. This one we don't have that soak tub. We got the fiberglass. You got additional storage space here. Then let's take a look at our water closet. Okay. Now this one is, you have a transfer duct, which is really nice. So this one right here, again, we probably need some more lighting because it's going to be very dark here. Laundry room. Got the drain pan, attic access right here, that's perfect. And then we have our transfer duct again, but it does not go directly into the system. It goes to the main hallway, then it gets sucked out to the main filter, or sucked into the main filter. So what do we have? 3 more bedrooms here. Now this is a pretty large bedroom, I'm gonna say. Nothing special for this one. Looks like the TV is gonna be designated here, so you're probably only gonna get like 40-something inch TV here. It's unfortunate, but that's the thing about these spec homes, these entry-level homes like this. They pretty much tell you where to put the bed, where to put the TV, basically dictating your life. This is a very large bedroom, so I'm impressed with this. Okay. Rocker switches is a little bit far here. The reason why is probably because of where the studs are. It's where they put it. I prefer it more over here. Here's another large bedroom. I'm okay with this too. Very large bedrooms. These are probably like 15 by 15. Like, this is honestly, these bedrooms are just as large as my primary. Tub shower combo. Pretty much all stock and standard around here. What do we got over here? Did we look at this? I don't think we looked at this. Can't even remember. Can't even remember. Alright. I mean, overall for $500 and $5,000. Ah, man. I think that's actually a pretty good price. I mean, the thing about this is you can't get 10 out of 10 things, man, when you buy a home. The only negative for me right now is this right here. I ain't feeling this. You're forced to get one style table. It's got to be very linear on the table. Alright guys, if you guys want more information about this property, give us a call directly. We'll get you all the information you need. If you don't have a real estate agent, we definitely would love the opportunity to earn your business. There's no charge whatsoever. This is how we make a living. Our job is to walk you through the process and educate you. And we do more than any other real estate agent out here that specializes in new homes, right? We are the company that specializes in new home built and construction. We educate you through the process, hold your hand and walk you through, hold the builders accountable, and we help spec out the home so that way you can maximize the value on the resale. That's our strategy. All right, guys, other than that, I'm Chakits. Be blessed, folks. If you guys want to check out all our video home tours, we have over 1,800 video home tours. Just go ahead and click on this video right here. If you guys are in the market and you want to purchase a home and want to get started, visit lvhomeexperts.com. Scan this QR code right now. Also, if you guys just love real estate and want to get into real estate, go ahead and subscribe to our second channel. Until next time, peace.